Good morning, dear students. Today also we will study fourth lesson, the country child. Yesterday we had studied 4 lines of the poem. Today we will study the balanced part of the poem. The country child. Yesterday we had studied the country child, the feelings of a country child, the country child, the village child. The country child lives in a village and he wanted to go to town. He want to live in city. My home is a house near a wood. I had live in the street if I would. The lands are so quiet, oh dear. I do wish that someone lived near. There is no one to play with at all. The trees are so high and so tall, and I should be longly for hours. Were it not for the birds and the flowers, I wish that I lived in a town to see all the trams going down. A tingled street that is bright with wonderful colors at night. My home is a house near a wood. I had live in the street if I would. The lands are so quiet, oh dear. I do wish that someone lived near. There is no one to play with at all. Up to this part we already completed. The next slide, listen to the next slide. The trees are so high and so tall. You know the trees in the villages. In city, we can, especially case we can see a tree. But most of the cases, only the concrete building we can see in a city. But in village, if you go to a village, there is a plenty of trees. The trees are what type of trees? Very high, very tall trees. The trees are so high, so means very. The trees are very high and very tall. And I should be lonely for hours. Lonely means having no friends, akele. And I should be lonely. There is only trees. No one to play with me. I should be lonely in my city. I have no friends in my village for hours. For hours, 3 hours or 4 hours or 24 hours, I have no friends to play with me. The trees are so high and so tall, and I should be lonely. The next, were it not for the birds and the flowers, and he has only 2 friends in the village, that is birds and flowers. In village we can see the flowers, flower cultivation also, plant, and then flowers and birds also. Where it is not for the birds and the flowers, there is only one thing, the birds and flowers. I wish that I lived in a town. The country child, he wanted to live or he wanted to go to the town. I wish, he wishes that I lived in a town to see all the trams going down. There I can see number of vehicles, trams, gadi. Plenty of vehicles we can see in a town. At the country child, he wanted to see the trams, the vehicles in the town. Then one more thing, the one is we can see the vehicles. Vehicles means gadi in town. The second is a tingling street that is bright. You know the night time, tingling, shining streets due to the light. Number of buildings light. If you look at the roads, both sides the houses are sitting in a row, standing in a row, line. Colorful lights, very beautiful sight. A tingling street, shining street. Street means giddy. that is bright, that is very shining. A twinkling street that is bright. The country child compared the street just as a twinkling street in town, and that is also bright, that is also shining in every night with wonderful colors at night. Due to the colorful lights, especially the Diwali time, we are using the colorful lights with a wonderful, amazing, surprising colors, a variety of various colors at night. Oh, that's why the country child wishes to live in a town, because there is a number of vehicles, a number of streets, number of people, number of friends. Then besides this, there is a tingle street with a bright or shining night and wonderful colors, and he likes all these things. Oh, that's why he wishes to live in a town. Is it clear? One more time I will read it and just listen. My home is a house near a wood. I hardly live in the street if I would. The lands are so quiet, oh dear. I do wish that someone lived near. I do wish that someone lived near. There is no one to play with at all. The trees are so high and so tall, and I should be longingly for a wish. Were it not for the birds and the flowers, I wish that I lived in a town to see all the trams going down, a tingled street that is bright with wonderful colors at night. Do you like this poem? And below part of the poem, we can see a summary of the poem. You just read the summary and study the summary. And this poem you should study by heart, learn this poem. That is important. And some more other work based upon this lesson, word meaning, especially the rhyming words is important in this poem. Find out the rhyming words, then one match the word, write the missing lines of the poem, question answers, and some a lot of other works also. Yesterday I will give it. And try for the best. First study the poem and try to find out the rhyming words, match the column, and other exercise in your book. And yesterday we will meet together again with lesson number 5, the Sultan Saladin and the Jewish merchant. So thanks all, best wishes, have a nice day.